Good evening. I know I don't normally come on at this time, but things went a bit pear-shaped this morning. So I'm just connecting. I'm on Facebook and I'm on Facebook. I've gone on to Instagram, which I rarely do. Hi, William. And I'm just going to share this story. And I'm going to share this to, where's my group? To the Heart Whisperers. Do you belong to the Heart Whisperers? I'll drop the link in below. And here we've got doing the October readings. I wonder what, there we go. I wonder what October will bring for all of us. So one of the things that, I need to put my glasses on to read this today. One of the things that came up for me yesterday and for today was about something that I read about October, and I've just lost, was about something that I read. There we go. And okay, so we're live everywhere now. So if people could, if you're watching live, give me some hearts. You know, I love hearts. And yeah. And if you're watching the replay, it means the little red light's not showing, just hashtag replay. So everybody, hands on your heart and take in a deep breath. October, I open myself up to the abundance and prosperity that is available everywhere. This month, I claim my birthright and affirm I deserve to be prosperous. I deserve my good. I choose thoughts of abundance and unlimited creativity and opportunities. What I focus on is exactly what I will get. Hi, Sylvia. So for me, I don't know how that resounds for people there, but for me, that was just so beautiful. And some of you know that, as I've been saying, I'm reclaiming becoming a professional artist. I've done it in the past. I have now got my art behind. And as of today, and for the next 30 days, I'm going to be sharing a painting a day. And the paintings will be for sale. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to do for those people who don't know, these are the Heart Whisper Daily Guidance Oracle cards, which came out of my own healing journey. I had the experience, which I call life, death, or dialysis. But here I am, I'm alive. I told them I was going to be healed, use my meditation tools, and I was going home. Plus my law of attraction, which is what comes here about what is it we're thinking. So let's see what we have. What is October going to bring for all of us? So what we're going to do first is we're just going to hands on your heart, taking a deep breath. We ask for this reading to allow us to open into the magic that we are. Allow us to share our light, to make a difference in the world. And let's see what our focus card is for the month. I have this card a lot. Our focus card is let go. The message on the card is when you let go of what no longer serves you, what no longer brings you joy, you create space and allow the new to flow. So another month for me of letting go. Let's see. This is one of my heart whisper paintings that I use for healing. Right, so we've got a focus card. So the focus is to let go. So our next card, which is, I'm going to see what the card is first. The card is, oh, look, see, there's one trying to peek out there. We're going to focus and we're going to put our attention on knowing we are enough. It's so important to know we are enough. When we want more abundance, we want more prosperity. It is very, very important. The message on the card is knowing you are enough allows you, ties in, allows you to let go and trust. Then watch your life transform. That's where you're putting your attention. Where is our action coming from? What's the action we're going to take that will allow us to live the dreams and the life that we want? Right, now I'm just going to shuffle these once more. Hi, Sylvia Mystics, William Jar, Alibi. Right, so our action card is hope. The hope card allows us to focus on allowing the impossible to become possible. With hope, you awaken yourself to miracles where the impossible becomes possible. And our outcome for October will be open. So when we let go, we know we're enough. We allow the impossible to become possible. Then we can open our heart wide and allow our horizons to expand and welcome in the abundance and prosperity we deserve. So that's the reading for October. And I'm going to be back here doing a reel. I'll do some pick a card later in the week and do some readings for people who are on live. So, and if you don't belong to the Heart Whisperers, my Heart Whisper Circle, which is where I do more personal readings, and we'll be doing meditations to help us call in this abundance, this prosperity. So watch this space and know that also, as well as sharing the cards, I'm going to be sharing a painting a day. And this is today's painting. It's a celebration of love, of speaking our truth, and really looking towards the magic that is that throat chakra where we speak our truth. Namaste, everybody. Give yourself a big hug and love yourself into abundance.